Hi, welcome to part 2 of our first pattern making video. In part 1, we created this last copy. What we're going to be doing now is to duplicate this last copy because I want to reuse this last copy for another pattern. That's the advantage of designing like this. If you had drawn your full first pattern on the last, it will not be easy to convert it to another pattern or use it to put another pattern. So this makes it easy for me to convert this and use it to create different pattern that I like. So what I'm doing now is I'm trying to duplicate this pattern into another cardboard paper, which I'm now going to be drawing our loafers pattern on. This method is very, very simple and straightforward. Save you stress and you don't get to mask your last every time you want to create a new pattern. We're going to mark 1 cm below our quarter line on the vamp line. Then mark 1/8 of our standard last length, which is 4 cm, on our tongue line that we drew earlier too. Then connect the two lines together. The next thing to do now is to cut out our pattern on the cardboard. Then we're going to spring the vamp. To spring the vamp, I'm going to draw a straight line, then place the front part of the pattern from the vamp point up to the toe area first, then draw all the way down to the vamp line. Pivot from the vamp point, then finish the remaining drawing. Get the other side of the pattern, hold from the center line as you see me do in the video. Then we're going to add our lasting allowance. For lasting allowance, I use 2.5 cm or 1 inch. You measure it from the feather edge. Now with this, we've gotten our basic loafers pattern. It's very easy and straightforward. If you watched the video to this point, kindly like, subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you can see more of our videos when we drop them. You can drop in the comment section the next pattern you'd like me to make for you. Thanks for watching.